Jiesheng Hardware was set up in 2004. The company located in Qiaotou Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Now we have all kinds of imported machines: CNC computer lathe, computer processing center, precision automatic lathe, screw machines, testing equipment including projector, salt spray machines, torsion machines, hardness machine. We are professional to provide all kinds of non-standard metal parts, precision CNC turning parts, automatic lathe parts, precision non-standard screws, nuts, rivets, washers, stamping parts, and other hardware products. Materials include stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, brass, iron, aluminum, and various kinds of steel. Products are widely used in electronics, hardware, lighting, toys, sanitary ware, furniture, medical, sport equipment, and other industries. We passed the ISO 9001-2000 quality system certification. We can provide free design of product, development, process improvement, and other technical problems. Our products are selling well both domestic and abroad. Our company constantly introduces domestic and foreign advanced technology and equipment, has an experienced technical research and development design team, chooses good materials and surface treatment, so we can effectively guarantee product surface protective layer and the corrosion resistance, surface hardness, torsional strength, etc. We strictly implement various quality standards: GB, DIN, GIS, BSW, AISI, and ISO, in order to meet the requirements of the customers. We adhere to the prestige strives for the survival. Quality strives for the development idea. Based on the principle of cooperation, mutual assistance, and symbiotic service, we are looking forward to cooperating with you to create the good future. We are looking forward to cooperating with you to create the good future.
加油！加油！我们最棒！我是杰胜人，我有梦想，我有动力，我有激情，我有自信，我有担当，我有活力，我有使命，
我有团队，
我们在一起，我们最棒！
Based on the principle of cooperation, mutual assistance, and a symbiotic service, we are looking forward to cooperating with you to create the good future. Professional hardware manufacturer with 15 years experience.